Hello friends, Maddie here, and today I am going to create one park bench, very simple and basic park bench in Blender. So let's start. I'm not going to fast forward this video. I'm going to play this video in normal speed and explain every step which I'm going to do in this creation of a park bench. So let's start. First, create one cube. Go to add mesh and create one cube like this. Then go in edit mode. Select this cube and then just move it little bit here like this. Then click on extrude all normals and click here like this, and then again click here like this, and then move it little bit backward like this. So we have something like this. If you want, you can also little bit like this. Click on this face, click on this face and extrude along normals, extrude it like this here. Then go in vertex mode, click on all this vertex and click and drag little bit downward. Click on all this vertex, move little bit forward like this. Click on all this vertex, move little bit forward like this. Click on all this vertex, move it little bit like this. And then what you have to do is click on all this vertex, move it here, select this face and extrude along normals. Move it little bit here like this. Then rotate it. Move it here. So we have something like this. So move this here. Press Shift D in Y axis and move it little bit here like this. Then again create one cube, object mode, create one cube and then scale it in this axis like this. Go here and scale it little bit like this. So we have something like this. Press Shift D, X axis, click here and repeat this one time like this. We have something like this. Then uh, select all these, press Ctrl J to duplicate, Ctrl Shift D to duplicate this, and then just move it like this, and just keep it like this. If you want, you can also move it a little bit here. Control J to duplicate, to combine. Edit mode, select this face and this face and move it a little bit like this. Object mode, select this and in Y axis and move it a little bit here like this. So this is our park bench. Select this and this, press U and press Control J first, press U, go to the edit mode, select all the faces, press U and uh, and smart UV projection, unwrap and give the texture, wood texture here. And here give the color. If you want, you can also scale it a little bit here like this. If you want, you can also give the wood color to this. So this is very simple and basic wood bench, park bench created in Blender. See, this is very simple park bench. This is very simple park bench created in Blender. So I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned to my channel for more uh, 3D modeling videos like this. Also some gameplay of some games which I have. So stay tuned to my channel and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.